raised on the Warrego. It's hot out here, but you toughed it out like an old brigalow. From the back of the Channel country across the western plains, the roads are straight and dusty, and the folks are much the same. Roots run strong and deep out here in a hat town, and we'll carry on down through the years in a hat town. Well, it might be Thagaminda, might be Barkley Downs. There's a pub and a store and not much more. You're living in an old hat town. Stuck out in the heat haze, a half-mile 60 zone. Just a ragtag bunch of buildings made of wood and tin and stone. There's a swag of stories, most of them are true, of how the locals pass the hat around, pulled each other through. Roots run strong and deep out here in a hat town, and we'll carry on down through the years in a hat town. Well, it might be Thagaminda, it might be Barkley Downs, but there's a pub and a store and not much more. You're living in an old hat town. Bushies tried and true, and we're out here for the long haul, not just blowing through. Roots run strong and deep out here in a hat town, and we'll carry on down through the years in a hat town. From the back of the Channel country and across the dusty downs, there's a pub and a store and not much more. You're living in an old hat town. Yeah. You're the lady